Welcome back to the channel. Today's another beautiful day in the middle of Mexico. It's cold out in Mexico. That's my 2017 Ford Focus RS. MBRP, catback exhaust, catless downpipe, tinted taillights, mud flaps, BM spec front splitter, BM spec wing extension, tinted taillights, TRS tow strap, LED fog lights, full bolt on as far as the engine bay goes. Basically what I'm going to show you guys today is rolling launch control. Now basically it's pretty simple. You've got to have a Cobb access port. If you don't have one, better get one, because I don't think anything else out there is going to allow you to do this. I don't know how it goes with the tune. I think the flat foot shifting and all that stuff is integrated with the tune you load on your access port, but I believe even if you're running the off-the-shelf tune, you should be fine. So here I'm going to show you guys quickly how to set up rolling launch control. And I know what you guys are going to say, oh, that's just adjusting your flat foot shifting. Yeah, but if you can adjust it to utilize it like rolling launch control, it essentially is rolling launch control. And if you don't believe me, still, launch control is essentially when you allow the engine to boost up a little bit, maintain a certain RPM, and then dump the clutch, obviously. This does the same thing while rolling. The only thing that you need to pay attention to is set the RPM in the range that you want to. Like, for example, if you're doing a 40 roll, you're going to want your RPM at like 4100 and then launch in either first or second, depending on your setup, wheel and tires, gearing. Very important to, well, I don't know if very important, but you definitely want to set up your launch control because you can change the RPM. You want to set it at the roll speed you want to race from. So pay attention to that. Try it out first before you go challenge your buddy and then you lose, right? But here, this is how you do it. So you go back into your tune screen, go to adjustments, and then you want to go, I've already done this. You have to do this every time you restart the car, unfortunately. I've already done it, but change flat foot shift RPM limit. You want to do it to about 4,000. That's where mine is set. Once you've set that, you can exit and go to the gauges screen and pretty much go race your buddy. And I'm going to put on my other mount for my GoPro so that I can get you a POV shot, and I'll quickly film showing off rolling launch control. Now my access port is frozen, or I'm just stupid. Anyway, let's get on the road. We're in Mexico again, and here's this. I'm gonna do a 35 roll. That is wild. That was first gear. I can do a little faster speed, but I have to be in second because I've got mine set to 4 grand, which is where I like to have it set. For me, it's the perfect amount of kick. But here, I'll slow back down, we'll put her in second. That is awesome. That feels so good. Imagine racing Buddy and just fucking doing some rolling launch control and leaving him in the dust. I did this with an Evo 10. I didn't get it on video because it was dark, but it was like Buddy was standing still. Just so awesome. It's like, you know those videos online of the Lamborghinis with Motec ECU control software, and they're just doing rolling launch control and stuff like that? That's what it feels like, but in your little Focus RS. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Send this to your buddies. Show them how to do some rolling launch control. It's fucking awesome. Oh, one more thing I should show you, that it actually boosts up while it's doing that. So I'll focus on the boost gauge here. There you go. We're boosting. I'm going to pull up the boost gauge on the access port and I'll see how many pounds it actually is, but based on that shitty stock gauge, it's pretty good. Okay, here's a quick, I'm going to show you on the access port how many pounds it pushes out during that launch control. Looks like we peaked out at 9 pounds, which isn't bad. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you do with these videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one, just a quick one. trying to show off my little rolling launch control. But anyway, have a nice day.